Hi. Welcome to another Investor Web video. Today we'll discuss the term balloon payment. A balloon payment is a large, lump sum payment made at the end of a loan's term. It is commonly used in car financing and mortgages, and can be thought of as the final repayment due on a loan. Balloon payments are attractive to borrowers who wish to keep their monthly payments low and do not mind making a large payment at the end of their loan's life. A typical balloon payment will include all of the remaining principal and interest of the loan balance. Because the majority of the balance is paid off in one lump sum, it allows for lower monthly payments during the course of the loan's life. However, with a balloon payment, there is a risk that the borrower may not have the necessary funds available at the end of the loan's life to make the large payment. If this happens, the borrower may need to refinance or take out a new loan to cover the balloon payment. Overall, a balloon payment can be a useful tool if you need to keep your monthly payments low but are confident that you will be able to make the large payment at the end of the loan's term. However, if there is any doubt that you will be able to make the final payment, then you should carefully consider other options to finance your purchase. For more explainer videos, subscribe to Investor Web.